2,800 Palestinians held by Israel this year, NGOs. Hamas uses WhatsApp to obtain Israeli intel, report. OIC to discuss Israeli violations in Jerusalem. US House overwhelmingly approves anti-Saudi measures. Turkish soldier martyred in northern Iraq. Iraq deports 33 Daesh children to Russia. UK says Iran nuclear deal is not dead. EU urges Iran to adhere to nuclear treaty. Iran dues US talks with Russian mediation. 13-nation military drills kick off in Horn of Africa. Swine flu death toll rises to 54 in Myanmar. Pakistan lifts ban on Indian flights, opens airspace.